In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move files to a USB stick or an external drive here on Windows. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to back up files or move them between devices, here's how you can actually transfer them to a USB stick, a thumb drive, or an external hard drive. Begin by obviously plugging in your USB stick or external drive into your computer. They only fit one way, so if it doesn't go in easily, just flip it and try again. And it should automatically open up your File Explorer. If it doesn't, go ahead and open it up and scroll down until you see the option for that USB drive or external drive, whatever you just put in, and select it. From here, you simply just need to go ahead and drag one File Explorer over here and open up a second File Explorer and find whatever file you're trying to put in the USB drive. Simply go ahead and find it. In this case, we're going to go ahead and choose this option right here and just go ahead and drag it into this other File Explorer with your USB drive just like so. You just got to click and hold on it and then drag it in, and as you can see, it's going to copy over to your USB drive or your external hard drive. You're still going to have the original on your computer, so you can delete it later if you need, but that's how you can actually go ahead and put files onto a USB or external drive here on Windows 11. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, but before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.